Here's the top news headlines. Major Chongtha Memorial Library and Takil Thangta Academy inaugurated at Agartala. Assam Rifles recovers brown sugar worth Rs 8 crore at Indo-Myanmar border. And man sentenced to rigorous life term for sexual assault. Good evening, you're watching Times of Manipur English News at 6:30. I'm Loving with the news in details. Tripura legislator Krishnadan Da today inaugurated a major Chongtha Memorial Library and a Takil Thangta Academy at Agartala's Manipuri Para. The function was organized by Justice Committee on Anglo-Manipuri War, 1891 Martyrs and Freedom Fighters, Kanglei Park. National Library awardee Dr. N. Giridhari, World Thangta Federation President H. Prem Kumar, Zila Parishad member Catherine Debarma, and several dignitaries were present during the program. The event was kicked off with unfurling of Takil Thangta Academy's flag and a Pena Sheho Ishai. On the occasion, legislator Krishnadand assured of Tripura's government's assistance in opening of major Chongtha Memorial Library in every district of the state. The Tripura government would also extend help in setting up of Takil Thangta Academy in the state of Tripura, especially in West District, he further assured. Krishnadand announced that the government will now donate 10 chairs and books for the newly constructed library. Troops of 43 Assam Rifles seized 3 bags containing around 4 kgs of brown sugar worth Rs 8 crore near Indo-Myanmar border pillar number 87 this afternoon. According to Assam Rifles sources, the drug was found hidden in a TVS scooter bearing Indian registration number. But the occupant of the vehicle managed to flee the site. The seized drug along with the vehicle was handed over to the More police station for further legal action. It may be mentioned that troops of 12 Assam Rifles seized 3 packets of heroin powder weighing around 400 grams from 2 individuals at Kudengthabi checkpost along Imphal-More highway yesterday morning. Meanwhile, a combined team of Imphal East and Women Police Imphal East arrested a woman drug peddler along with 1,500 WY tablets and 22 grams of heroin at Khergaon of Imphal East. The arrested has been identified as Sabita alias Ibem, aged 30 years, daughter of Mahmud Jabba from Khergaon. According to police reports, the police on learning that some drug peddlers were present in Khergaon area, a combined team under the supervision of Imphal East Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, T.H. Krishna Tombe, carried out patrolling in the area during which the woman was arrested. In yet another incident, a team of Taubal Commando arrested 2 drug smugglers who are also involved in cases of vehicle theft. Muhammad Rashid Ali, aged 32, son of Muhammad Khairuddin of Moijing, Awang Laikai, was arrested along with an Alto car from Tangjeng, a police report said. Rashid disclosed that his elder brother, Muhammad Abbas Ahmad, alias Masatana, along with his associates, Muhammad Imran of Lilong Leihao Kong Leinung Hotel and Muhammad Firoz Khan of Yairipok Kekru Makhalaikai have been running a racket of stolen vehicles, a brown sugar lab, besides financing for such illegal activities. Further, some equipment and chemicals used in manufacturing brown sugar, which were kept concealed by Abbas Ahmed and his associates, were recovered from a spot at Arapti Komla Inkol under Lilong police station. Later, the police also managed to arrest Firoz Khan from Yaripok Lamkai. Abbas Ahmad and Imran are still absconding. A case has been registered at Taubal police station over the incident. Nautuneswari Devi, Special Judge Pokso Senapati today sentenced 52-year-old Ashin alias Kasinba of Nungthek Karvanwang Village Part 2, Nonay to rigorous life imprisonment and fined Rs 2 lakh for committing a crime of grievous hurt and penetrative sexual assault to a minor girl. The court also recommended to provide Rs 6 lakh compensation to the minor victim through her mother under Manipur Victim Compensation Scheme. The convict Ashin Kashin went absconded around 23 months after being released on PR bond by the concerned police station after the incident which took place on July 12 of 2019. Meanwhile, a rape convict has been sentenced 10 years of rigorous imprisonment by Session Judge Imphal West, RK Memcha, with a fine of Rs 15,000. The sentence for Meshnam Suresh Singh of Ghari Awang Lekai, aged 32, son of Loken, was given under Section 376 of Indian Penal Code today. Notably, the convict raped a girl in August of 2014. Manipur High Court has asked for furnishing proper evidence and witnesses in the court in connection with a case filed in the Supreme Court by Sapam Kunjakishwar alias Keba, who contested the 11th Manipur Assembly polls on the ticket of Northeast Development Party. In the case, Keba alleges that the election results in respect of 19 Patswe Assembly constituency were manipulated. Talking to media at Tera Sapam Lerak residence of Keba, NEIDP sympathizer A. Oken alleged that the counting of votes was done erroneously. The party is all prepared to furnish all evidences related to the case on January 24, he said. He expressed hope that the Manipur High Court will come up with a fair verdict soon. In the 2017 Assembly polls, A.K. Mirabai of Congress won the Patswe seat.
Tauliba Kudimato Sumran, social media, the Giko Comja, Punjava, Atmani Pendash, pull up young legere, so Namgi, Tamoke, capable, Namtato Vidana, Mahana, Ahoy, Emil, Ahoy, Kangreshi, Emil, or Bibi Amana, Namtato Viraga, Tamoke, Namna, what Karamba the Gay, Mari Magi Manunda, but Kadi, Habagi, Namna Tokibagi.
Imphal East District Shitoryu Karate Do Association IEDSKA Manipur today celebrated its 14th Foundation Day at Yairipok Azad Higher Secondary School. The function was held under the aegis of IEDSKA and Seshinkai Shitoryu Karate Do Manipur. International and national awardee players were felicitated during the event. Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, IEDSKA President Mohammad Bashir Ahmed, Tulihal Zilla Member and Mahila Morcha BJP Manipur Pradesh President K. Inaucha Devi attended the event. Talking at the occasion, Mohammad Bashir Ahmed said that games and sports showcase the state to the entire globe. Besides, sports help in maintaining good health among youngsters. The third Rongmei Naga Baptist Association RNBA Children Festival was kicked off yesterday at Namdailong Baptist Church of Kachar in Assam. The festival is held on the theme Celebrating Our Future. It will continue till 18th of January. On the opening ceremony, Reverend Mansi Gangmei unfurled the RNBA flag, which was followed by presentation of special songs by school children from Namdailong and Ramgaijang. Around 3,000 children from Numba, Assam and Khopum are taking part in the festival. Pauri Gaungmei, Secretary of Third Children Festival (RNBA), stated that the 3-day-long program is organized under the Christian Education and Literature Department (RNBA). He expressed hope that these children would bring glories and brotherhood.
We usually celebrate this across all 3 states, Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. But this time around, we are celebrating, we are conducting the celebration only under 3 regions, Nungba, Assam and this one, Khopum. There are over 3,000 children gathered here under the celebrations. We are quite excited. Many people from around these regions are turning up to these celebrations. We have much hope upon our children, our young generations that are growing up. We are praying and we are shaping them that these people will bring laurels to our brotherhood.
School Phagat Hansi Mission, an initiative of Manipur government to upgrade and promote government schools in the state, is probably losing its effectiveness as many of the government-run schools, particularly schools taught by SSA and RMSA teachers in the state, have been seriously affected by the ongoing cease work strike by SSA and RMSA teachers since 13th of this month against the government's failure to clear their 6 months pending salaries.
Aduga hauji si Ramsagi SS gi utilize ozana masing yam banina makhoi loimbang strike ta siswak ta leire haidana class si yam nawana regular oiba makhoi gi group na tabo oza sing na chalairaga angamba perot kharadi adumak tawri adumain tawraga leire khoise yamna problem leire school sida hauji ki oina phagat han sida yaujaraga su oza se ayambana regular oidaba utilize hatana namna laiba sikitang nuaijade school masagi oiba posting parent posting oina sida dum thabak tawba singse pami aduga ramsa SS di ngasi maksu ngarang na handagi dum strike chathari banina class e mapung phana khoina 6 period phau tawba se ware akaba gaina period angamba lawba ya lawraga nini humni si chalairaga leijari khoina.
All Tribal Labour Association Moray Atlam has threatened to impose fresh ban on Imphal Moray Road if the Manipur government does not lift the ban on sand transportation from Moray immediately. Talking to media at the association office, Atlam advisor Thangjamang Shimte expressed discontentment over the government's failure to fulfill the demand. He said that the earlier indefinite ban along the national highway over the issue was called off after the government assured of fulfilling the demand of the association. Many sand transporters are facing hardships since the ban came into force, he said. Thangjamang appealed to the state government to lift the ban considering the woe of the transporters.
Government na matam khara athubai matamda kariumba yengsin bi daba natraga yanangai honna bi darba masi oiba tara lakba tarabadi association taraptagi akanba ban chathagani haibasi ikhoye tribal association taraptagi akanba warep ni haibasi mera gi thong da haijaninge.
As part of the cease work strike by the joint RMSA-SSA Teachers Association, protesting teachers today formed human chains at ZEO offices of Imphal East, West, Taubal, Bishnupur and Kokching district. The teachers also held a sit-in protest in front of the ZEO Zone 1 Imphal West office complex, Koyatong. Lakshmi Priya, a teacher, said that the government is paying no heed to their demands. She said that they want a permanent solution this time. Taking part in the protest at ZEO office Taubal, Kongbantabam Tararani, an RMSA Zone 2 teacher, alleged that the state government has been indulging in blame game instead of bringing a solution. The RMSA-SSA teachers are on strike to pitch for their demands, including clearance of pending salary.
ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯝꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯍꯛ ꯐꯪꯗꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯃꯣꯁꯟ ꯂꯥꯏꯟ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔꯤꯇꯤ ꯂꯤꯁꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯔꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯕꯦꯒꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯏꯞꯇ ꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ CM ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ EMꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯟꯠꯂꯤ ꯄꯨꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯆꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯠꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ
ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯔꯦ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯇꯣꯂꯣꯞ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯃꯤꯅꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯚꯥꯏꯑꯣꯂꯦꯟ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯡꯆꯠ ꯆꯠꯂꯔꯣꯏ.
Ahead of the upcoming Republic Day celebration, security has been tightened in Imphal city. Under the supervision of Imphal West Additional Superintendent of Police Operations, Amarjit Lambam, a team of Imphal West Police Commando conducted a massive combing operation at Thangmaiban Lorung Purel Lekai and Thangmaiban Polem Lekai of Imphal West this morning from 6:45 to 7:50. Around 250 individuals were verified during the operation. However, no one was picked or arrested. On the other hand, a team of Imphal West Commando Bazaar Unit Thangal Bazaar carried out combing operation at Dharmasala, Nagamapal, Bora Gali, Ngari Gali, Naga Canal and surroundings of Jalal Crossing this morning. Altogether, 230 persons were verified, while 6 people were detained and handed over to city police for further verification. Congress Corporator of Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Ward Number 3, Hijam Nutan Chandra Singh, has submitted resignation letter to President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC. In the resignation letter, Nutan Chandra said that he would not be able to work for the party due to unavoidable circumstances involving family matter. A cadre of the Sauraigra faction of National Democratic Front of Bodoland NDFBS was killed in an encounter with the army in Kokrajhar district of Lower Assam on Wednesday. Media reports quoted sources as saying at 2:15 p.m. based on specific intelligence inputs, an operation was launched by 21 Mountain Division in general area of Deka Damra, approximately 230 kilometers from Guwahati in Kokrajhar district of Lower Assam. The operation was carried out at a place 17 kilometers south of the India-Bhutan international border, where the armed cadre of the NDFBS was spotted. The NDFBS militant has been identified as Jewel Narzari. The army recovered firearm and communication system from the possession of the NDFBS cadre. It may be mentioned that in an encounter with a joint team of Assam Police and Army, a cadre of the National Democratic Front of Bodoland, Sauraigra NDFBS, was killed in Chirang on January 5. Rebel Congress legislator in Puducherry N. Dhanavelu was suspended today from the party on charges of indulging in anti-party activities. According to media reports, PWD Minister and PCC President A. Namasivayam said Dhanavelu had been indulging in anti-party activities violating basic principles of party discipline. He said that the suspension of the legislator came into immediate effect. 5 coaches of Mumbai-Bhubaneswar Lokmanya Tilak Express derailed near Cuttack in Odisha this morning after the train hit a goods train, railway officials said. As per media reports, at least 40 people were injured in the accident, 6 of them critically. The accident took place at Salagaon and Nirgundi stations at around 7 a.m. on Thursday, officials said. Officials present at the site added that while 5 coaches derailed, 3 others were displaced from the tracks. While the cause of the accident is not yet known, there is heavy fog in the area. All passengers had been admitted to a nearby hospital and they are stated to be out of danger. East Coast Railway Chief Public Relations Officer, CPRO, however, has said that 20 people were injured in the accident. In a significant departure from its stated position that talks and terror cannot go together, India today said that New Delhi will invite Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan for the Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO) summit to be held in the national capital later this year. Ministry of External Affairs MEA spokesperson Ravish Kumar said that all 8 countries and 4 observers will be invited. According to media reports, India also launched a stinging attack at Pakistan a day after Islamabad's all-weather ally, China, raised the issue of Jammu and Kashmir at a closed-door meeting of the United Nations Security Council. The MEA added that Pakistan has a choice to avoid such global embarrassment by refraining from such acts in future. The move by China was third such attempt since August, when the special status granted to Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 of the Constitution was revoked by the government, and the state was bifurcated into 2 union territories. However, members of the UNSC, including France and the US, blocked the attempt by China for a discussion on the Kashmir issue. Now let's take a look at the sports news. World number 21 Alex de Minaur was forced to pull out of the Australian Open today with an abdominal injury, robbing the men's singles draw of one of its strongest local challengers. As per media, the Australian number 1, who was also forced to pull out of this week's Adelaide International, he said he had suffered a 4-centimeter grade 2 abdominal tear representing his country at the ATP Cup. The 20-year-old, who reached the 3rd round at Melbourne Park and won 3 ATP Tour titles last year, conceded that despite intensive treatment, he was just not in a position to compete at his home Grand Slam. De Minaur pondered serving underarm but was persuaded not to take to the court for fear of making the injury worse. Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Major Chongtamir Memorial Library and Takil Thangta Academy inaugurated at Agartala. Assam Rifles recovers brown sugar worth rupees 8 crore at Indo-Myanmar border. And men sentenced to rigorous life term for sexual assault. That's the end of the bulletin. For the news at 6:30. Thank you for watching.